We're going to prank a sheep. Well, animals. Sorry. Nothing in there. Oh. Pranking animals. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Nothing in here. Oh, this is hilarious pranking there. Oh my god, these are so cute. Sam, look at my camera, they're green. That was awesome. You know, I once had a pet duck called Baby Chicken. You know how long it survived at our house? 3 hours. I'm gonna go prank some more animals, Sam. Oh. You meant to be drawn to it.
No, I'm not an animal. Hello, goatee.
Sorry. I feel really mean doing that.
How funny.
I feel really mean doing this. I feel super mean doing this.